What's going on, fellow YouTubers? My name is Eddie Vongse. Today we are making Mapo TOFU my way. Let's get started. When it comes to aromatics, tongue-numbing sensation, flavor, Szechuan peppercorn is the way to go. So I'm toasting these, then putting it into a mortar and pestle, and we're going to pulverize that into a fine powder. Those of you who are interested in this mortar and pestle, I will have a link below down at the bottom for you to check out. So grab your pot or pan, set it to high heat, add some oil to it, and just throw that chopped garlic right into it. Once the garlic is nice and golden brown, I'm going to add in my ground turkey. Now, this is my preferred preference. You can add any type of meat you would like. I have 2 pounds here, and we're going to chop that up into small pieces. Once you cook the meat, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then you're going to want to add in some fermented bean sauce. This is actually not that spicy. Sesame seed oil for the aromatics. You know you gotta have that. The grounded Szechuan peppercorn from earlier, that's going in too. Chopped scallions, add a little bit on top. Tofu. I use a soft one, not the silken soft, because that's going to break apart. Give that a mix. Add some cilantro for color, contrast, and boom, there you have it, guys. Mapo tofu.